Hello, Mammal Mage, here with another Let's Draw video. This time of Soundwave from the Transformers. This was a request from a friend at work. At first I didn't want to do this because he was highly detailed, but then I realized that Transformers BotBots was gonna premiere that weekend as well. So I thought, yeah, it made sense. I kind of rushed this one. I wasn't really confident to do an exact picture, so I basically just did a front view of him just standing there. I was pretty lazy with this one. So much so that during most of the sketching phase, I basically used the mirror tool. Okay. Soundwave was always one of my favorites of the Decepticons. He had like these little robots that shoot out of his chest. It was like he had Pokemon before Pokemon was a thing. Now that I think about it, maybe Ravage was my favorite. And I just say that Soundwave was my favorite because they were a package deal. Okay, and this is when I become reliant on the mirror tool and do it on line art. And here we go. Drawing parts of his face. I guess I should be talking about Transformers BotBots. It's basically the franchise dumbed down. The premise is that an energon storm hits a mall and random objects just become miniature Transformers. Like junk food and candy and sports equipment. The toy line's like Shopkins for boys. And the cartoon itself focuses on one robot named Burgertron. 3 guesses what he turns into. Who meets 4 other robots who are in the Lost and Found. And he ends up being banished from his group because he was seen by the security guard. And they basically spent the entire time trying to redeem himself. It kind of feels like one of those slice of life cartoons are about like popularity and dating and all that junk. But it was funny, I'll give it that. Okay. I used the line tool a lot in this, and I'm not very good at it, as you can tell. It was very pressure sensitive, so parts where I was light with it was barely there. I had to double over it just so there be, so that when I color it, it would actually be in place. Okay. And okay, doing the buttons. Now doing the arms. Okay. Now doing the legs. His hands look pretty hard to draw, so I kind of did them last. Okay, he has like really bulky shins. I'm always running out of things to talk about when I do these. Okay. And okay, and yeah, my eraser tool got kind of weird. Like it was erasing lines halfway. Maybe that was because I had too much on during it. It kind of stopped after that. Okay. Just fixing things up. Okay. Now doing the vents on his legs. Okay. Now doing his fist. I had to look at my own fist for this. And then I turned the mirror tool off to do his shoulder cannon. And what I'm assuming is his eject button, sorry. And now my eraser tool is working fine. And then I start the color stage. I used blue as a primary color. Then I used red for the visor. I'm basically taking all the colors from his image, as you can see. And now doing more reds. And now doing his glass chest. I wonder if you can break him open with a baseball. And now yellowish orange. Okay. And now his gray feet. And that's when I noticed that I missed a few extra lines I should have been erasing. Okay, and now finishing up on the feet. And now doing the Decepticon insignia. And now doing his, finishing up on the barrels on his shoulder cannon. And that's about it. Soundwave ready to doing reconnaissance work for Megatron. If there's a character you want me to draw next, leave a request in the comments below, and I'll see you next week. Bye!